Well, give it up for Touriss.
You make me stronger. Oh, watch me. You're my creator. Lord, you know my time. Seasons of breakthrough, my seasons of trial. So I will seek you. In you I will find. You're my strong tower. In you I will hide. Help me now. You make me stronger. Oh, oh, Lord, you make me stronger. I lift my spirit. Lord, I take your hand. And you fix my focus. Now I know who I am. Sing that song. 'Cause I used to run from battles, but you made me strong. Jesus, God strong and mighty. I am that I am. Right is how tell me say, you make me stronger. Everybody sing, say, oh. So lift your voice to Jesus and say, you make me stronger. Raise your voice. Oh, oh. So Lord, you make me stronger.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Vegas.
Brother, I just see that you're having fun. You're just having fun and you believe what you're singing. That's the greatest part. You just believe what you're singing, so you're having fun, and that is the nicest part of it. Well done.
Conroy.
Very nice, packed, very nice. Last week you were a little off, but this week you were very, very strong. Move to the head of the class.
Elaine.
Touriss, your Jesus swag, turn up! Yeah, man! You give me a little dance and a little dip and a little step and a little thing, and you sounded so good. You were spot on, full of energy, full of just a genuine expression of God making you stronger, and everybody felt it. Great job. #1 tonight. Awesome.
Anthony.
Yeah, well, I think the contestants are tapping into a range of emotions. You went for something that had crowd appeal and something that was toe-tapping and brought everybody into the picture. So nice job.
Thanks, judges. If Touriss got you into the spirit tonight, then get those fingers going. Text the word VOTE to 444-5507 or call 444-5507. Thanks, sir. Great job.